Hey folks, this is Emily Eugene. So folks, now we're having an issue once again, folks. Folks, this is a different story, folks. Let's see, folks, it's 7:31 in the morning, and the thing is went off around 7:27 in the morning right now. The thing just went off for no freaking reason. Alright, now, folks, the warning is lit. And once, folks, listen to this. Storm warning. Folks, I was sleeping right here. I was sleeping right here. Also, that thing went off also because I was out. I was completely out. Also, that thing went off, and I was very annoyed with this thing right now, folks. I get it shut down. But it turns out, well, folks, if you just have any on suggestions, just give me a comment on bottom of the video, folks. Anyways, folks, have a good day or not, yours, and have a good day, folks. And yes, folks, this looks creepy with the light off, folks. So goodbye, folks.